Hey, what's going on out there?
Miserable times.
Miserable times? What are you talking about?
It's awesome! Your video taking is so cool.
Calf, you're
Watch
not...
this.
That's awesome.
I can't really put my arms down.
We're all playing in the snowstorm.
Do you think if I built this shelter, I'd be warmer? I can't breathe.
The heavy stuff's not supposed to come down until tonight. Right now it's about 8 o'clock, February 9th, I believe, 2013. So we already got about, I'd say, 8 inches on the ground, and the heavy stuff hasn't even arrived yet.
Are you putting this on Facebook?
No, serious.
Don't put it on Facebook. Are we going to lose power?
Well, if we do, I got a generator.
If we lose power, someone's going to die. Just kidding. Obviously.